This is a stretch routine that you can utilize in the morning, throughout the day, in your office to help you relax, especially if you're always sitting down. But most importantly, if you're always on the go and you have pain when it comes to your lower back, you have stiffness when it comes to your legs. So I want to make sure through this routine you're able to relax those muscle groups. Most importantly, feel better, move better, pain-free. So let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start with a hip flexor stretch. So right foot forward, left foot back, and we're going to focus on our right side for the first two exercises. So right in here, one thing I like to do is actually push my knees forward, push that left hip forward, keeping my chest up, and really getting a nice T stretch across this whole plane. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that right leg, we're gonna sit right on top of that right leg, pushing that left leg down, and then we're gonna lean forward and we're gonna hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. And we're gonna do the same thing with that left side. So coming in, pushing that left knee forward, maintaining that position, pushing that right hip forward, chest up. And this is a great way to actually better your lunges, your squats. It's by getting into these movements and really going nice and deep. You know, they always tell you don't push your knees past your toes, but if you're stretching, you kind of can get away with it. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna bring that left leg down, lean into it, and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right. Now again, we're gonna do that right side for next two as well. So we're gonna go right foot forward, we're gonna stretch those hamstrings, and we're gonna lean in as far as you can. And sometimes you can use your hands for support and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. And when I say switch, keep that left knee down. Now go down to the side and slide out, really stretching out that adductor complex and holding it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. And I'm being honest with you guys, the reason why you guys have a lot of lower back pain is because you sit too much and your adductors, your hip flexors are really tight. And sometimes that's the reason that when you're doing an exercise, especially a leg raise, you might feel that pop in your back, right? It's not necessarily mean you're injured, no, it just means, hey, your hip flexors are tight and they might be doing more work than they need to, or they might be doing less work than they need to. So at the end of the day, you wanna make sure you're getting these stretches in to just relax those areas, so therefore you can move freely. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now go to the side and lean in. Use those hands for support and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Now, this is not necessarily a stretch, but I like to incorporate within my stretch routine just to get a better feel for my back. Hands all the way out, Superman. Head up, hands elevated off that mat, and maintain this position for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. And again, this is meant to strengthen your lower back. Most importantly, you get a nice feel for the rectus spine, which goes down your spine. Now we're gonna stay in that same position. Hands to where your palms are facing each other. Lean, and as you're leaning, pull back. When I say pull back, I mean pull down. You want a nice deep stretch in those lats, and you want to hold that for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Whew. Don't you already feel looser? Don't you already feel more alive? All right. Next, we're gonna go hands together. We're gonna lean on that left side, right hand down first, and hold that position for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Opposite side, down, and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're gonna finish it up. We're gonna stand up, feet apart, go right down the middle. And one thing I like to do is to reach back. So I can lean a little bit more forward and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this is one of my favorite stretches. It's just basically holding down a squat with some support and leaning in the right side, left side. It's a great way to get better at your squat, especially if you struggle at the bottom position. It's a great way to get used to it. Hold this and just go from right to left, really easing those adductors, easing those muscle groups. Get a nice deep stretch on each side. And over 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy that one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.